This is Chantal Today, Senior Editor on Mobile Marketer. So the first week of 2016 saw some interesting developments in mobile marketing. We had the CES show, and as usual, there were lots of innovative and interesting things coming out of there. There was a lot of focus on the Internet of Things and wearables. With a number of announcements along these lines, suggesting that these are strategies that are really here to stay. I think what was interesting was that the smartphone is still a key focus of enabling these experiences, but marketers are going to face some challenges in terms of developing the strategies for engagement as these experiences are so new. There were a lot of really Me Too types of experiences and devices being introduced, suggesting there could be some confusion for consumers, and we may see a bit of a shakeout. There were also just some, really kind of unique takes on this, and it'll be interesting to see how some of these develop. For example, the first response Bluetooth-enabled pregnancy test, seems like it brings some interesting added services to consumers. So be interesting to see how that is embraced. We also saw this week some signs for how customization and personalization, two really important strategies for mobile, how they may start to evolve in 2016. Honda had, announced a new campaign for the Civic that's, interesting. It's got not surprisingly, a really big push on social. But what is interesting, I think, is that they're developing separate campaigns, different campaigns for each of the social platforms. So, across Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and Snapchat, it's going to be, content that's uniquely crafted for each of those and for those users. Also, we saw Under Armour partner with IBM's Watson, using their cognitive computing technology to, really boost the brand's health app with some more customized experience, such as evidence-based sleep coaching and data-backed fitness tips. Another important development this week was some news about native ads with a report from Trusted Media Brands. Native ads are still going to be really important in 2016, but there are possibly some warning signs on the horizon, with some marketers saying that they're going to be using them less this year and expressing some frustrations with this strategy. So that'll be one to watch to see how that evolves. And finally, we took a look at some of the top ads, mobile ads from 2015, and brands such as Coca-Cola, Maytag, and Toyota were really leading the way in driving, mobile engagements with some of the biggest innovations around, rewarding experiences and heightened interactivity, and basically trying to reach the consumer on their terms and not in as interruptive a manner.